Happy Teachers Day, Shrimay sir, Sarita ma'am and Neil sir. Shrimay sir, your focus, dedication and passion towards teaching always inspire us. Sarita ma'am, you are subtle and patient and your positive attitude always put a great impact on us while we attend your class. And what can I say about Neil sir? I have been learning from him since my childhood. Being it a brain vita, Chinese checker, difficult sums or difficult lessons of life. I have learned many things from Neil sir. The best example of Neil sir is if life throws a lemon, you can make a lemonade. And I have learned that attitude from Neil sir. So wish you all three a very happy Teachers Day. Thank you.
Hi, good morning. Happy Teachers Day to my wonderful mentors, Sima sir, Neil sir and Sarita ma'am. I truly appreciate your motivation, your hard work and kindness towards me. May the universe bless you all with abundant happiness in your life. Wishing you all a very happy Teachers Day.
Hello everyone. Do you know what a true teacher is? A great teacher lends a hand, opens a mind and touches a heart. On this special occasion of Teachers Day, I want to express my heartfelt gratitude to Sarita ma'am, Srimay sir and Neil sir for shaping my communication skills and helping me to grow in my personal development. Before joining ODCH, I used to speak in English but not correctly. My voice modulation, rate of speech and confidence were very low. As the saying goes, a teacher is someone who takes us from darkness to light, and at ODCH I truly found such wonderful teachers. You connect with each student on a personal level and you believed in us even when we didn't believe in ourselves. Thank you once again for your patience, encouragement and endless support. Happy Teachers Day.
Good morning, respected mentors, Srimay sir, Neil sir and Sarita ma'am. Happy Teachers Day all of you, and I am thankful to you for the way you guide, inspire and teach us. Really, you are the guiding light and the symbols of inspiration. Thank you all of you.
Happy Teachers Day to all the Odysseus family members. Special thanks to Neil sir, Sima sir and Sarita ma'am because you are teaching more than just books. You are instilling values, confidence within us. You are igniting the fire of knowledge and lifelong learning. Thank you.
Happy Teachers Day, Srimay sir, Neil sir and Sarita ma'am. I am really grateful to you. It is said that a good teacher not only teaches the lessons but also touches the hearts and changes the lives forever. And I am sure that you all are doing exactly that thing. So God bless you all. I love you all and again wish you a very happy Teachers Day.
Happy Teachers Day to my three mentors, Srimay sir, Neil sir and Sarita ma'am. Thank you so much for being a part of my life, always guiding me in my journey. Lots of love and respect to you all.
Wishing you a very happy Teachers Day to our great mentors Srimay sir, Neil sir and Sarita ma'am. Your constant support and encouragement truly saved our life. Thank you so much for being a guiding light in our path. Have a wonderful day.
Happy Teachers Day to Srimay sir, Neil sir and Sarita ma'am. I am truly grateful for your constant guidance, care and inspiration in my journey.
Happy Teachers Day, Srimay sir, Neil sir and Sarita ma'am. I'm really glad to be a part of Odysseus community. And thank you so much Sima sir for your mentorship. You helped me a lot in my life. I am really grateful to you. Thank you so much sir.
Happy Teachers Day, my dear mentors, Srimay sir, Neil sir and Sarita ma'am. Thank you so much for being in my life and thank you so much for transforming my life. I remembered when I joined Odysseus and what kind of personality I had that time. But you completely changed my life. Thank you so much, three of you, and love you always.
A very happy Teachers Day to you, Srimay sir, Neil sir and Sarita ma'am. Thank you so much for turning our feelers into full sentences, our fluency into flow, and our silences into our strengths. I'm grateful to walk on this path of Bolborn moments with mentors like you as our guiding light. Wishing you great health and a long life so that you continue to inspire and uplift countless learners like me. Have a blessed day.